What is difference between ICD and CRT? So ICD means implantable cardioverter defibrillator and CRT means cardiac resynchronization therapy device. So as the name implies, implantable cardioverter defibrillator. So it is implanted inside the skin and it has a function of defibrillating. When any ventricular arrhythmia originates, it can shock it at that period of time. We don't have to give external shock. It can shock in real time, right? So when heart is very weak, like in a heart failure with ejection fraction less than 35%, then that type of heart is prone to getting ventricular arrhythmia. Or if patient has prior suffered MI and ejection fraction is less than 30%, such heart is prone to getting ventricular arrhythmia. So we implant ICD in advance. For example, patient has gone to shopping mall, right? And suddenly he may suffer ventricular arrhythmia in such type of heart, right? Such type of weak heart. So if there is ICD placed, it delivers shock in real time and terminates shock, right? We don't have to apply external shock to terminate arrhythmia. If a patient has history of prior ventricular tachycardia or any ventricular arrhythmia with syncope, then also in those types of patients we implant defibrillator ICD, so that it can shock in real time and can save life. So that is about ICD. Now let's talk about CRT, which is called cardiac resynchronization therapy. As the name says, it synchronizes both ventricles, left ventricle and right ventricle. You know, from AV node there are three branches. One is right bundle branch and another is left bundle branch, which further divides into anterior fascicle and posterior fascicle. So electricity gets conducted along those tracts and ultimately reach to the ventricle. So if any of the tract is degenerated, either right bundle branch or left anterior fascicle or left posterior fascicle or whole left bundle is degenerated, degeneration might be due to variety of causes, might be due to myocardial infarction or due to old age, right? So when it is degenerated, then the synchrony between the two ventricles is lost, right? So we place leads in both ventricles and that excites the both ventricles simultaneously to resynchronize, and that improves the cardiac output. So in a patient with heart failure, when ejection fraction is less than 35%, or a patient with prior EMI, right? When we place that CRT, when you see QRS is more than 150 millisecond, so QRS widening suggests that there is no synchrony between both ventricle, right? Between left ventricle and right ventricle. Or when you see in ECG pattern of LBB, left bundle branch block, then also CRT is indicated.